In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, go into Settings and choose Connections. Now tap on Bluetooth and click on the switcher to activate it. Wait for available devices to show up, and when they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Now wait for the pop-up and select Pair. Then we need to wait for the other device to accept our connection request. And as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them by tapping on the little gear icon next to the device and choosing Unpair at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!